Hello everyone, welcome back to part 6 of the Loomian Legacy Nuzlocke. I didn't really level up that much, just an accidental level up on Totemochi, extra level up on Geklo, and 2 level ups for tree mode. Mostly because he's so close to evolving, he's like 8 levels away. I'm just gonna close the text, just to be sure. Just run away from wild encounters. I don't think we're gonna challenge the battle theater this episode. Look at the sheer size of these mushrooms. The slugling would love to have at some of these. I think they'd also like to have a fight with your Loomians. Okay. Hey, that's me. His name is Steven. Ha! What a coincidence. Well, we'll just run over him using a snow dozer. Boom! One shot as expected. And he got... Okay, this is the second time mysterious toxin got into effect. First, paralysis, and now sleep. Another slugling. Keep him in. He's barely... One damage. Just keep doing this until he wakes up. Then we'll pretty much one-shot him. Yeah, just wait. He only deals like 1 damage. So I don't think we'll be coming back to the Looney Center just to heal like 3 HP in the sleep. Melly woke up. Finally, snow dozer. And by the way, burns in the fire battle theater will be a pain. So I found a side quest that will help us with that. And also, I'm just gonna put Camilo in the front so that Smiley doesn't get too overleveled, because we have nothing for the fire gym, but there is stuff for the Route 5, because we have the ground type Krakola, the ground type Vapor, Twill, the flying type, also counts as ground, but it's a duplicate, so can't use. So because it's Dupe's class, and Gumpod, which will be the one we want most, because they'll be effective in both the second and third, while the ground types will only be effective against the second and weak to the fourth. So we're gonna hope for Gumpod. Oh, Twill's duplicate. So I'm gonna have to run. Please give me the Gumpod. Please, just give me the Gumpod. Please, Gumpod. Fine, I guess I can live with Babor. Pretty bad though. You can just spare it. I'm probably gonna have a spare for a while to make catching easier. Oh, I forgot to bring some of this. So if you don't okay, this is a little sketchy. So we only have 1 shot. Dear, I wish I actually checked if I had captured this. We have 1 shot. If it doesn't go in, we fail the encounter. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so close. Well, we'll have another encounter, but not in the place you might think. Well, that's our first failed encounter. Guess we're gonna be stuck having 3 for a bit. But first off, I'm gonna have to get some meds. I have a shortcut. We teleport. Yeah, we teleported back to Sylvan. I don't really want to use it that often. So let's just go by some and capture this. And then I'll show you the encounter I'm talking about. You see, cities technically count. So I'm able to get encounters here. So, Kanoko Village, there's actually a side quest where sluglings attack. So, since it's in Kanoko Village and not in Route 4, we can technically catch those sluglings since it's a different area and not Route 4. It won't be good against the second. Oh wait, it won't be good against the second, but it will be effective on the fourth, which I'm really scared about. The first three, they don't even have items, and then suddenly they just make them 10 levels higher and hold items, which is pretty concerning. Now I don't think I would need any healing. So yeah, we're gonna get another grass type, which is Slugling. Because technically it's Kanoko Village and not Route 4. Watch. See? Still Route 4. Let's just go closer until we can actually reach it. Watch this. When we go over here, Kanoko Village, which is allowed since it's a different and not Route 4. Oh, a Loomian trainer. Would you be able to spend a few minutes and help an old man out? Excellent. You see, my house is infested with sluglings. They caught the scent of my special burn-soothing mushrooms and how I can't get rid of them. If you help me out, I will return the favor. I'll leave the door to my house unlocked so you can take care of them when you're ready. Let's go. How many are they? There's 1, 2, 3. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which sergeant should I catch now? Is it you or is it you? It's gonna be you. We're getting the one in the campfire. See it? Wild slugling in a house. Technically different counters. I would spare it. Just keep sparing it. There we go. Crits are actually good. Doesn't do too much, so I think we're good. Camilo will just keep staying spare until it's 1 HP. Dwell, a bit concerning, but I don't think we'll be in too much trouble. I about tend to capture this just to be safe. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have a funny name. Rainbow Slug. Wait, no. Slug 2020. Yes. I think the next year the rainbow should be Rainbow Slugling. It just makes so much sense. Okay, we'll definitely be putting in the best. And let Smiley deal with the rest. Slugling. What, number 1? We only need to deal with 2. So that's good. And they're separate, so I technically using a choco bar for both of the sluglings individually. Oh, come on, they keep sleeping me. This is annoying. Well, we'll just keep anything until he wakes up. Oh, I'm still asleep, so that's useless. That's actually the best thing they can do during sleep. There we go, I woke up. There we go, that's another one down. That leaves one more. 81 experience. Last one. I hope they do paralysis instead of sleep, actually, because I can go back to the Loomian Center and heal. Also, I like that they did a special encounter box just for specifically this. Oh, come on. Well, take two. There we go. No loader. I'm pretty sure Slugling's only one level away from evolving. Okay, it doesn't have mysterious toxins. And I don't think mine does either. Our next encounter should be the cave. And technically the pagoda, since it's once again a different encounter. Here we go, that's the last of them. How close is Rainbow Slug away from evolving? Yeah, pretty far. Probably have to train up in stealth. They're all really gone? That's fantastic. Probably I want you to have these. Burn gels, yes. Okay. Let's just reset the heal. Yeah, it's a really good shortcut. It's basically geo-hop, but you only go to the entrance of the route. So yeah, it isn't that efficient since you can only use it every so often. See, like every 5 minutes or so. So let's just go to the Loomian Center and heal. There we go. We finally start to fill the team. And then when we challenge the battle theater, we're gonna get horribly wrecked. Because we don't have anything to counter it. Hooray! That is actual torture. Because we only had one capture disc. Well, might as well get some advanced discs from over here. Let's get. Oh, I already grabbed them. Then, how do I not? Oh, okay. Not gonna lie, I kind of prefer having Cinnaboo. Oh, of course. When I'm not gonna go there, when I did, well, I only had the counter is when they're gonna start raining, which would let me get Hydrini. Of course. Hold up. It was just me. Then I saw a cut. But yeah, that's probably just me. But anyway, in Route 5 is a good XP trainer for me right now. With his level 14 Sandmoth and Terrafly. But my plant types cannot handle that. So, we have in the next place, I forgot the name, we'll have Lava Fire type and the Cradle Fire type, which would be good because that will help us get Chartiki. And we also have the other one, Igneo. Wait, I remember the place now. It's called Igneo Hollows. Nah. Might as well. Have you been in Kanoko Village? It's a cute little place. Really cute. I have to show you my new Loomian. Alright. What is it? Asachi. I remember they used to be accidentally be found using what do you call it? Male Asachis. That glitch was patched, and then now the male Sachis that were found were turned into female Sachis. That was a pretty weird glitch. For that book trainer, with bug flying types, I'm just gonna switch to Camilo and watch him wreck. Actually, I might change the name so that it isn't hashtag. But nah. I'll technically be breaking the rules because I changed the nickname. So maybe it's nice. This will be very useful. Considering that the next level is when I get them. So I'm short of 100 more. Snowy's dead. Turtle's dead. I got 5. That could do. Maybe. I don't know. But anyway, let's just switch. I'm pretty sure we just need to get up 1 level for Rainbow Slug and it'll evolve. I mean, it's still not useful, but it does evolve soon. Either 16 or 18. I forgot what level it is. And here's the trainer. That's the one. The bug trainer. They look tired after climbing those steps. Actually gave me the upper hand in battle. See? Now that I got my failed encounter, now they're gonna do it. Of course. And also, how did you get that Cynomos though? Isn't it supposed to be at level 18 is when they evolve? And you have to still have it. That's pretty weird. So let's just kill it to set things right. Oh yeah, right. Use Bug Bite. So that gets him some heals. And let's just keep sending Static Shock. The next one's Terrorfly. It shouldn't be that much of an issue. Well, Gecko's actually getting pretty close to evolution. That's about like 9 levels more. Oh, it's not. That's weird. Why doesn't it affect me? Oh well. If Camilo goes in a pitch, we can just switch to Snowy. Another Static Shock. And that won't kill. Oh, never mind, it does kill. So there we go. Level 19. Can Slug just evolve, please? Hang shot. Alright. Blow out. I guess Brace. That's gonna be pretty important. You know what about? Okay. I swear if we find a Hydrini, I'm going to purposefully kill it. Because it wasn't our encounter. So why does he keep using... Why does it have both? It's pretty useless. It just lowers its attack. Wait. I think it might increase in PvP. I'm not sure. Haven't tested out. So next we're gonna have to go this way till we can get our next encounter. You know, I prefer to skip you and try to go in the lock. There we go. Get the box open. No more advances. That would have been useful when I had the Babor. But now I have nothing good against the next gym, Belsier. Too bad we can't fish yet. Otherwise we would have be able to get Goppy. So yeah, I'm in big trouble right about now. Why are you doing this? Don't you any of you recognize me? Wah! It was that cursed rock, isn't it? I warned you to leave it alone. Wah! Someone help me! Help the man who ran into the cave on Route 5. Here's the next encounter. Oh yeah, by the way, in Route 8, I'm gonna do some very specific things. But that's for later. Our counter is Crayo! That's actually good! So what I'm planning to do is evolve Kabunga into Chartiki and Crayo into Koala. So that's pretty much what I'm planning. Just keep on sparing Camilo. Keep on sparing. But that's good enough. I think we can put him in capture this position now. Go capture this. I'm pretty sure the monks don't specialize in fire types. I'm pretty sure they use like trails, gun pods, and the other one. Oh, I almost pressed no. I don't really have much goods, so we'll just do volcano. There we go, we're starting to fill up the team. And the second battle treater, most of them are gonna be gone because that's how it goes every single time so far. So we'll just use one med. Let's make you go faster. There we go. You should be faster now. Yep, speed and range attack. Now let's just keep going. Finally, to what I remember, the next monk will have a Kabunga in his first slot and then a Cradle next slot. So let's go. No. I have a Cradle. Also, why are they such a low level? They're like the same as Route 3. That makes it harder to level up. Whoa. Yep, Kabunga, just like I remember. So let's just freeze it to death. No, those are, it shouldn't kill, but yeah. 2 more hits. Should I be concerned? Okay, we're good. Someone knows those are again. If it crits, it dies. If not, oh, it doesn't need to crit. For some reason, I got low roll and high roll. Gun pod, yep. Well, I didn't correctly predict that one. The second, but I did predict the first. We have Kabungas, Crayos, and Gun pods. Grass, water, and fire. Which way should I torture you? I'll go with the pummel way. Wait, no. Actually, slime will be the better approach. Rainbow Slug has more range attack. And Gun pod is using attacks using things that increases physical, not range. So that should kill. There we go. Yep. Yeah, we're doing the pagoda and then next bounty or next episode. Okay. We have, I remember 3 more monks. So let's keep going. Okay. Let's keep going. Second monk, here we go. Oh. Oh, lava. Are you kidding me? Just run away. Mwah. Ma. Alright, we can just know those are to death. Let's keep going. Okay, one more hit. You'll heal after this, definitely. Yeah, we should heal. There we go, that's another one down. This isn't too hard so far. Another one. Alright, slip rainbow slug again. I'll just alternate between them because right now they're countering what they have. Power pummel. Oh, that did nothing. And he did nothing too. Yeah, we were doing nothing until they died. Till one of us died. Oh, now that actually did damage. And now I'm slower, which is a bit more concerning. But just keep using Telepommel. Yeah, he keeps using the Boulder Blast, which is the bad move. Yes, just keep killing, just keep killing. Just keep hitting him until he's dead. I'm predicting a rest. So, we're both resting. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna rest since he wouldn't be able to take advantage of the guard down. Oh, now that actually did damage. And now he's asleep. Let's do one dawdle. One to get the upper hand. Yep. 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, looks like no level up yet. Whoa. Let's keep going there. Well, you had an emergency. And the 70 strange had been forgotten several months for acting weird. Yeah, they did. There we go, back to full. I'm definitely gonna buy some milkshakes. It just didn't. Alright, 2 more battles. And then I'll end off the video. So, lava. I haven't seen any Igneo yet, which is very weird. Wow. Geklo, you have a Geklo too. If only I had my bubble. If only he got in to capture this. But he decided to be bad and didn't. Alright, we'll just keep using Snow Dozer because I can't really do much. And now it's gonna ramp up in damage now. It's time to ramp up in damage. And that's a kill. I forgot about the ramping up part. Rail. Yes! I'm going back to Geklo. Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Static Shock. Brace. That's pretty useless. So let's just keep spamming Static Shock and hope for the best. Oh yes, paralysis. But when I don't need it. So keep going. One more Static Shock should do the trick. No, guess not. Well, I'm 9 HP down. I don't really need to heal, I guess. There we go. One trainer and then I'll end off the video. Oh, Volcano goes to level 12. Oh, Sluggling evolves at 16. Because he's so close. Yeah, I think Smiley should be in the front. Another Silk Lava. We encountered so many Silk Lavas. It's pretty weird. Also, I forgot about Impulse. He's also an item evolution. So once again, 36, same as Kavaraja. Wait, no, that's a Pokemon. Same as Oxydrake. Same as Oxydrake, 36. That was a good read. Chocolate bar, 2 turns KO. That's 1. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why does it always hit 4 times? It's weird. Every time we see a pine shot, it hits 4 times. Very weird if you ask me. Smiley, the one who... Pretty much our whole team is weak to fire. Except for Quail and Geklo. Quail because he's also a fire type. And Geklo has literally no... Not super effective, but it's also not weak. So yeah, we might be leveling the guys up to 23. I don't know. Maybe. Just keep Static Shocking and we'll be good. Of course. We both just wasted 20 energy. Yeah, we just used up a turn to waste both of our 20 energy. Please be something that's weak to grass or poison. That works. Alright, go Rainbow Slug. West type goes against ground type. Mud Splatter. That does quite a bit. Yep. Oh, it was actually a crit. And then of course the speed drop. Blase at this point. Things that Dicey will just switch. Oh gosh. Yeah, no. Mabel's is out. I'm swapping to Totemochi. We're swapping to Smiley. He can probably one-shot. Yeah, I just noticed. Smiley, Snowy. Both of them were the highest level on the team. Both are ice types. I just noticed that coincidence. Pretty funny. They both start with S. They sound similar, Snowy, Smiley. They are the highest levels of the team, and I pretty much rely on them most of the time. We don't get to 16. Alright, let's see what level, how close he is. Well, time Turban to dialogue. Hey Al, why are we here? You remember me? Oh, thank goodness. Of course I remember you. What are you talking about? You are not yourself. As if someone took over your mind. Well, that's nonsense. What you're saying isn't even possible. Unfortunately, I think you may be wrong. Oh, haha. This is a pretty good meme template. Because he's not here. I came quickly as I could. Is everyone alright? Yes, we are. Thanks to, surname? Oh, well, Steven, thank you for coming to my rescue. I'm very grateful to you. So, Father, how did you find us? One of the monks ran into town, collapsed right outside the balcony. I was notified and rushed to his side. I asked what happened, recounted that some of the other monks in the pagoda became violent. We watched several of the monks change to this way. What would have caused them to turn so violent, Father? I've never seen anything like it. Only here about where one of our beloved elders who got mad. I defeated him, distinct common sense. Suddenly crashed into the upper floor of the pagoda. Whoever this must be the source of our problem. Yes, coming back to me. Last thing I remember was going upstairs to check on the Nuzlocke here. That's all I can remember before waking up here, though. Top floor is where Ikazuni, best friend's bed. Is that anything Ikazuni would do anything with this to you? I don't believe so. I do remember reading through some very old texts already in the pagoda. Stories about the cave very similar to ours long ago. It might be a good idea to find those ghosts and pore over them once more to see what I can learn. However, it's unsafe to enter the pagoda until we first solve the case at hand. According to some of us, there are still several others inside who are turned. Do I have anything new Stephen can help? Think about it. Stephen single-handedly followed the way through several other effective elders to get here. The experience against Jennifer might just what you need right now. What do you say, Stephen? Will help us figure out Scotty this in pagoda? Excellent. I think I got everything down, and you go ahead and make it perfect to ensure you can reach the pagoda. Ordinary students cannot normally exit the pagoda with special permission, but it certainly warrants an exception. I'll work with the elders guarding the path so they can know to let you through. The pagoda is at the top of the thing I'll ratify. If you need anything, I'll be in Hiwaville. Good luck, and I'm counting on you. We can return to the right next. I think we'll just head home. Thanks again for helping us. Good luck with the monks at the pagoda. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of dialogue. And Rainbow Slug. Oh my gosh. You know what? How about we make it so that we can evolve from level 16. And we'll end the video. Oh, now they're gonna give us pretty much no encounters. Okay, we can kill this cradle over here and get some XP. Camille will become 20, I'm pretty sure. And hopefully Rainbow Slug evolves. Because none of our members besides one Smiley is evolved. Which will be weak to the gym. How has he not evolved yet? How? 12 experience. Okay, we're going to level up Slugling, and I'll end the video. We're pretty much gonna do Pagoda the next episode anyway. 9? Fine. Let's kill it. Get quick. Stop wasting You're just wasting our time and yours. Just die already. One more hit. Can you stop using dodge? Oh my gosh. Just die already. There we go. Level 20. Gecko, he's 7 levels away from evolving. I guess we can remove Shine for now. You can always replace it. Thank you, finally. Please evolve. Oh, yes, he evolves at 18. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. For now, stay safe and wear your mask.